So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also guys make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our gold. So let's see what gold is actually going to be giving us for the week. Now remember guys, before we take a trade, we need to know what the trend is. Remember, know your trend. Second, you need to trade with the trend. Now since we want to be predicting what markets will do for the week, we are going to be making use of our trend. What can you say the overall trend on your gold is? This is very much an uptrend. Our trend on gold is an uptrend move. We are in an uptrend move. This is our movement to the upside. That is our trend right here. Guys, pay attention to this movement. Yeah, this market was able to give us this impulsive move, right? When you go down to your daily time frame or maybe your forward time frame, you see that this movement gave us a series of higher high and higher low, right? So it did give us a series of higher high and higher low. Now when you take a look at this movement right here, this is the pullback, which is the corrective phase. When you go down to your daily and your forward time frame, you will see a series of lower low and a lower high. The market was able to push up again to give us another impulsive move, which is a series of higher high and higher low that eventually took out this previous high. This is the corrective phase, which is a series of lower low and lower high, right? Market then was able to push up again to form a series, give us another impulsive move, which did a series of higher high and higher low. Here comes the corrective phase, right? Now this is also another impulsive move, right? Say that market has given us. Market has given us another impulsive move. Then it came back to give us an equal low. Remember, this was the previous lower high, higher low. Sorry, this was the higher low right here. Before market pushed up to form a new higher high, now it has drawn to form an equal higher low right here. So market has formed an equal higher low, which made market to push up, right? Market eventually came back again to retest this level. Market came back to retest the same level. So with such a movement, right, we should be expecting market to actually bounce up. This is one of the reasons why this week that just ended, we had a bullish move. Market did give us a bullish move for this week. Now for this coming week, which is next week, we should also expect a bullish move. So this is the day that a bullish move this coming week is what we should be expecting on our gold. Gold should be giving us a bullish move for the week. That is what you should be expecting. Now let's go down to the daily time frame right here, guys. Take a look at this right here, guys. This is a major level. This is a major zone, right? The market has been rejected from. Markets, came. We had the rejection right here, right? The market came back again. We had the rejection here again. The market eventually pushed to bounce up, right? The market eventually came back again to retest the same level, right? And guess what market did? Market eventually rejected and it was bounced up. Now market has now come back to retest the same level again. And guess what market is doing right now? Market has now rejected from this level. And guess what market is going to be doing? We will be expecting market to bounce up, which is already currently doing that. It is already bouncing. It is giving us that bullish move. So you can see it right. The one of it giving us a bullish move, the two of it giving us a bullish move. Here comes the three and the four of it giving us a bullish move. So for since Tuesday, market has been giving us that bullish move. Now this coming week, we would expect that bullish move to continue on our gold. Let's go down to the forward time frame, guys. You can clearly see that this movement is trending to the upside, right? Now, guys, pay attention to this movement. This is your higher high and this is the higher low. This is also your higher high and this is the higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? This is the higher low. Now, market is pushing up to form an high. So we would expect it to continue that movement. It is able to completely take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing on your gold, you would want to be anticipating for a buy. Bullish move is what you should be expecting. So expect that bullish move to continue. It is able to completely take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So guys, a bullish move this week is what you should be expecting. If there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I'll make sure I did the updates and let you guys know. So if you do not want to miss out on the updates, very simple guys, make sure you click on the subscribe button, make sure you like and share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram so you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.